In my previous video, I introduced all the vocab. In this video, I will do some practicing. So please, you should listen to video number 1 before you listen or practice with me in this video. So let's get started. Now, I will say the words in Arabic and you translate to English. I will ask you, ما معنى? ما معنى? What's the meaning of? Let's get started. ما معنى أستاذ أستاذة؟ ما معنى أستاذ أستاذة؟ The answer is ما معنى محامي محامية محامي محامية. I will keep repeating تا مربوطة here at the end just to make the noun feminine. Again, ما معنى, what's the meaning of محامي محامية. ما معنى ممثل ممثلة؟ ما معنى كاتب كاتبة؟ Next, let's do this game. I will show you the first one and you have to think the meaning of this one. I'm doing the same one that I did before. Just try to think which box is the correct answer. I'll give you 3 seconds on each one. So ما معنى, what's the meaning of أستاذ أستاذة? The answer is yes. Hope you got it right. Next, ما معنى محامي محامية? The answer is next, ما معنى ممثل ممثلة؟ The answer is yes. The last one, ما معنى كاتب كاتبة? The only one left here. Let's do more vocab. More vocab. ما معنى طالب طالبة؟ طالب طالبة. Yes. ما معنى مهندس مهندسة؟ مهندس مهندسة. ما معنى صحفي صحفية؟ صحفي صحفية. The last one, ما معنى طبيب طبيبة؟ طبيب طبيبة. I will redo the same one, but it's your turn now. Here's the word. Match it with the correct answer. طالب طالبة. The answer is good. Next, I'll give you 3 seconds for each one. We have مهندس مهندسة. The correct answer is yes. Next, صحفي صحفية. The correct answer is yes. The last one, it's obvious. طبيب طبيبة is doctor. Next, ما معنى ساعي البريد؟ ساعي البريد. ما معنى طبيب أسنان؟ طبيبة أسنان. ما معنى مطرب؟ مطربة. And sometimes we say مغني, مغنية. It's the same meaning. It is the same meaning. ما معنى صيدلي؟ صيدلانية. Next, the same one. Try to find out the meaning of ساعي البريد. Which one is the correct answer? ساعي البريد. The correct answer is yes. ما معنى طبيب أسنان؟ طبيبة أسنان. The correct answer is yes. Next, مطرب مطربة, or as I said مغني مغنية. مطرب مطربة. The correct answer is, and the last one, صيدلي صيدلانية. This is the only option we have. Next, this is the last one. مدرب مدربة. سياسي سياسية. ما معنى شرطي شرطية. Next, try to match. مدرب مدربة. Which one is the correct answer? سياسي سياسية. What do you think? شرطي شرطية. Think and try to find out the correct answers. Here's one. Here's two. And here's the last one. Keep practicing until you memorize all the professions or occupations vocab.